Right, this can be a nuisance. You've opened your can of paint, you've given it a bit of a swizzle, and you find it's full of bits. So obviously, if we carry on paint with that, your paintwork's going to look pretty rubbish, isn't it? So we're going to need to strain this paint and get all the bits out of it. Fortunately, we can do it with a pair of these tights. Move that out of the way a minute. So, the way to do it is you can either use the foot bit of the tight, or cut a bit of the leg off and tie a knot on it, which is what I'm going to do. Cut a bit of leg off, tie a little knot on it. I've got an empty paint kettle here to strain the paint into. Get this apart. Stretch it over the paint kettle like that. Obviously on there. Get the paint ready to pour in there. Always remember to have a brush handy to wipe the tin off after you pulled it. So here we go. Oh, and also, it's always a good idea to thin your paint a bit before you strain it to make sure it goes through the stocking well. So I'm going to pour that in there. Ooh, big lumps going in there, look. Like that. Wipe off your tin. Like that. That's draining down through there, I don't know if you can see. So give it just a second or two to drain down through the worst of it. Get an empty paint tin or something to get rid of the stocking in. Unrelease it from around the side of the paint kettle. Pick it up like that. Throw that in there. And now we have nicely strained paint with no bits in it.